is Emily. I'm your Lake Oswego Farmers Market Manager, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my grandmother's rhubarb cake recipe using ingredients from the Lake Oswego Farmers Market. Rhubarb is a vegetable commonly found in Oregon. It is in season from April to as late as early July, and it's commonly found in desserts and known for its sour tart flavor. When prepping your rhubarb, you're going to want to cut off the top leafy part and the bottom root part of the stalk, and then chop it into small little bite-sized pieces. For this recipe, you will use about 2 cups of chopped up. First, in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. Right here I have 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda. We're just gonna mix this up with a fork. And next, we are going to take 1/4 of a cup of butter and place it in a different mixing bowl. And we're gonna slowly cream together the sugar and butter, and we have 1.5 cups of white sugar. Using my stand-up mixer, I'm going to cream the butter and sugar real quickly in the large bowl. And I'm just gonna incorporate the sugar a little bit at a time. Perfect, and then the butter and sugar mixture is just going to look like a little sandy crumbles, which you can see here. And then I'm going to break 1 egg into the mix. And then just cream that with the stand-in mixer. You should have a really creamy consistency like this with the butter, sugar, and the 1 egg. Next, you're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients, a little bit at a time. So you're just slowly going to incorporate the 2 cups of flour and dry mix with alternating with 1 cup of buttermilk. Last but not least, you're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and give that a good mix. Finally, you're gonna add your roughly 2 cups of rhubarb to the mix, and I'm just gonna fold it in with a spatula. It's gonna look like this. For the final step, we are going to pour the cake mixture into a greased 9 by 12 baking pan. And I just used a nonstick spray to cover my baking sheet. Perfect. So the cake is gonna look like this once it's in your pan. Finally, we are going to top the cake batter with a crumble of 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And this kind of creates that coffee cake-like crumble at the top, on the top of the cake, which is delicious, and it melts in the oven and gives the cake a great sweet molassesy flavor on top. And then I just use my hands to sprinkle it on top of the cake. Okay, and here's what the top of the cake will look like with the crumble. Next, I am going to put the cake in a oven that's preheated to 350 degrees for about 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean when you poke it. It's been 45 minutes and the cake is all done cooking. And this is what it looks like when it comes right out of the oven. As you can see, the topping has kind of melted right into the cake and it is so delicious. We're just gonna let it cool for about 5 minutes and then it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. It's my grandmother's rhubarb cake recipe and I'm so excited for you guys to try it. Please share your creations with us at the City of Lake Oswego on Instagram and use the hashtags livingwellconnected and LO together. Thank you.